Welcome to Intro to Sequences. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our sequence builder, and we're going to build our first sequence together. As you may know, a sequence is a series of emails that we automate sending to our prospects. To find this in Unify, navigate to the left-hand side nav bar and click on the Sequences tab. Then, in the upper right-hand corner, click New Sequence. If you've never written a sequence before, don't worry, I got you. Here we have the Unify email template guide. There's two types of sequences here. The first one is for capturing website intent. These are for emailing visitors to your website. This is a 4-part email sequence. And the second sequence here is for new hires. This is for reaching out to people that just started a new job and that might want to bring in your technology. This is also a 4-part email sequence. What I recommend if you've never written a sequence before is to copy this document. The link is in the description below, and to fill it in with your messaging. All the highlighted parts are parts that you want to update or fill in. As for the variables, you can keep exactly how it is so that when we paste this into Unify, the variables will be appropriately assigned. I already made a copy here, and I used a made-up example of a company, Omelette, that does infra. We're going to use this example to build our sequence together. Let's first give this sequence a name. And then the first thing we'll want to do is send an automatic email. We're going to go to our email template and copy line by line. That's the subject, and this is the body of the email. As you can see, Unify is already connecting to the right variables here. And in case you're curious, if you type open curly bracket, you can see all the different kinds of variables that you can use in your sequences. So there's person level, company level, the sender, and time zone. Let's continue building out our sequence. Here we can see the recommended delay is 2 days. So let's click add a delay, 2 days, and then add another automatic email. This email is automatically set to reply to the previous email. And if we look at our copy, it looks like this is also what's set up here. So we'll just copy that, paste that in the body, add another delay of 2 days, add an email. This time, this email needs to be a separate email and not a reply. So we'll click new thread, update the subject line here, copy and paste. We'll add one more final delay and one more final reply. And on the last day, grab the copy here, and that's it. Now we can test out how this sequence is reading by opening the preview window and selecting a different persona. We'll see that their name automatically updates, as does their company name. And this just lets us read it for different personas to make sure that it looks and feels right. With that, all you have to do is click publish. Now I know the publish button looks scary because it might feel like you're going to publish it and people are suddenly going to start getting these emails, but don't worry, they're not going to get them until you route an audience to them. So you can just click publish, and this means you'll be able to use this sequence in your plate. And with that, we just built and shipped our first sequence. Congratulations.